Healthy habits aren't just about reaching health goals, they should be about having fun as well. And it's okay if that means trying something a bit different. Let's find out why this accountant says hers takes her to new heights. Sometimes the best way to pick up a healthy habit is to find out what works for others.
My name's Steph, I'm a tax accountant, and my healthy habit is aerial fitness, just because I love being challenged every time I come to class.
All right, Steph, aerial fitness is such a cool, healthy habit. First, tell me what it's all about.
It's kind of a mixture of a lot of different exercises. There's a little bit of HIIT, a little bit of bar, a little bit of Pilates, but you also get to play around in silks.
So pretty strenuous workout, right?
Yes. I feel like I've gained so much strength during aerial fitness. I have so much more core strength. You work on arms, legs, full body. Biggest thing for me is going upside down. You feel a lot of decompression in your spine, I at least do, and that just helps me so much with posture, with feeling like I can breathe easier.
Mentally, I know when I get to a great workout, I just get in flow. I forget about everything else that's happened that day. How does it affect you mentally?
It's an escape. I get to come here after being in front of a computer all day, and I get to get a good sweat, a good workout, and learn something new, build new strengths that I didn't have before.
How do you make time for it? You're a tax accountant.
Yeah.
You're working with these businesses. You got to get their taxes in.
Yep.
When do you have time?
I definitely put it on my calendar, and I make it a point to book myself in a class, and then I make it a point to go. I feel great after I work out. I love that feeling. So even if it's a long day and it's hard to make time for it, I want to make time because I know I'll feel good after I work out.
I really can't wait to try the aerial fitness. Will you
Yeah.
show me some of your favorite moves?
Totally.
Okay, let's do it.
Wrap your legs around the front. Hands go
Okay.
behind your head.
If you have a healthy habit you want us to check out, let us know on Facebook or Twitter or tag us on Instagram. And you can see it featured right here on the show.
Those are great.
Let's
the way
do
your legs
a
are.
low five. That's fun.
All right, so do you want more Living Healthy content? Well, check out these videos right here and then subscribe for more right here.